Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. One of the challenges that I had when I first set up my Oculus Quest 2 was to correctly set up its initial settings, app installation, and creating payment method for my account. It took time for me to figure it out. So in this video, I will show you how to properly set up your device and account for the first time. But before that, we must know what are inside the box. You will find the headset, a pair of controllers, charger, charging cable, glasses spacer, reference guide, and safety and warranty guide booklets. For the best experience, be sure to fully charge your headset before you set it up. To set up the Oculus Quest 2, download the Oculus smartphone app from either the Google Play or Apple App Store. You won't need your smartphone every time you use the device, but you will need one to complete the initial setup. Once you have installed the app, open it up and you will see a login screen. Log in with your Facebook account or create one if you don't already have one. Games and apps you download will link to your account. That way, your purchases will be safe even something happens to your headset. Now it's time to set up your VR profile, which is your unique way to express yourself in VR. Add a VR profile photo and create your username. Next, you can add your Facebook friends, connect with people you already know from Facebook so you can chat, play games together, and more. Then you will be prompted to select your privacy settings. Finally, add a payment method and create a PIN code. Important tip, write your PIN code and don't lose it. You will use your PIN code when you want to purchase apps and games in the Oculus Store. Make sure the headset is turned on and nearby, and the app will prompt you to pair with your Quest 2 headset. Make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on. If the Oculus app does not automatically prompt you to pair, look in the headset for a 5-digit code, and in the Oculus app, go to Devices, Pair New Headset, and type in the 5-digit code you see inside of the headset. The headset will begin to pair with the app. Please don't close the app or switch apps until after you complete the setup process in VR. Once the setup is paired, read and follow the health and safety information provided. You may visit the Oculus Safety Center for more information on the safe use of VR. You are now ready to complete setup in VR. Put on your headset and follow the instructions. After connecting your headset to Wi-Fi, your headset will update with the latest software and will play a sound when complete. Keep the Oculus app open during the process. And based on my experience, you may remove it while the Oculus Quest 2 is completing its initial setup. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the Metaverse.